Hello friends, I'm Esan from Bangalore Property. This is Shine Villa number 93, an east-facing brand new independent property located in Vidyaranyapura extension. 2.3 kilometers from Vidyaranyapura large bus stop. Gangamma Circle, Jalahalli Air Force Station exactly 4.4 kilometers away. Fast developing area. 27 by 40 east-facing site, 1080 square feet. Stone cladding has been done for the elevation. Ground floor car parking and 1 BHK unit which can be rented out. First floor, second floor, third floor. Triplex 4 BHK. Fourth room is designed like a home theatre. As it is a new house, final finishing work is going on. Spacious parking. Even in the parking, tiles are provided for the wall. Own borewell is there in the property. 650 feet depth. 10,000 liters sump capacity and 2,000 liters overhead tank capacity. BBMP B Khata site with E Khata. Let's see the main house. Later in the video we'll see the 1 BHK in the ground floor. As it is east facing side, towards the entrance elevation side staircase is given. Additional safety door is provided. Granite flooring. So here shoe cabinet in the entrance. Semi-furnished house with all the interior work. Northeast corner, east facing main door. Main door and Pooja room teak wood has been used. All the windows also teak wood. Internal door frames honne wood has been used. Granite flooring inside. So first floor you can see long living room with Pooja room. Beautiful POP false ceiling, dining area, kitchen in the southeast, bedroom with attached bathroom. Utility is also there. Also in the center of the living room you have this double high ceiling with a gallery on the upper floor. So both side of the TV unit you have this passage connecting kitchen and dining. So spacious kitchen, L shape with granite platform in the southeast corner. As I mentioned, still few works are yet to be completed. Kitchen handles will be installed. Sanitary fittings will be installed. So modular kitchen. Risha brand switches. Parryware brand bathroom fittings will be provided. Glossy laminates have been used in the kitchen. Dining area will have a countertop hand wash basin to the right side. This is the utility. Center of the staircase you have this Pooja room. Independent Pooja room, east facing. Full wall tiles inside, granite platform, teak wood door will be there. Southwest corner, this is the first bedroom with attached bathroom. All three rooms comes with wardrobes. Fourth room is designed like a home theatre. We also have a study table. Large wall-to-wall wardrobe unit, dressing area separately and attached bathroom. So this is the dressing. Mirror will be installed. Wall mounted toilet, shower with diverter, hand wash basin, concealed flush tank in the bathroom. Right above the puja room you have direct skylight with toughened glass covering and safety grill. Stainless steel railing for the staircase area. We have reached the second floor. Second floor has one more living area with TV cabinet. Railing will be added for the gallery below. This is the main master bedroom with attached bathroom in the southwest corner. Wardrobe, dressing and study table is there. All this final cleaning will be done. Handles are yet to be installed. Protective sheets have been covered for the laminates, which will be removed before handing over. On this floor you have two balconies, one inside the bedroom, another in the common area. So two roadside facing east facing balconies. This is the third bedroom with attached bathroom and balcony. POP false ceiling, LED lighting, full wardrobe, and this is the east facing balcony. Elevation has toughened glass and stainless steel railing. Anti-skid flooring in the balcony. Attached bathroom, all the fittings will be provided, parryware. And here safety railing will be added, stainless steel. This is the TV unit and this is northeast corner, common balcony. We have reached the top floor, third floor, and this is the fourth room with a single window designed like a home theater or multi-purpose space. You can set up a gym, guest room. On this floor there is a common bathroom along with open terrace. Totally 4,000 square feet of super built up area. Compared to 30-40 site, just 3 feet less, 27 by 40 land area, 1080 square feet. Brand new property. So that was the common bathroom. Skylight reaches all the way to the first floor, right above the puja room. Puja room ceiling also glass is given for natural light, sunlight. So double door here. This is the open terrace. Column structure, columns have been left for further construction. 2000 liters overhead tank is there. Washing machine provision is there. This is the rooftop, completely usable. High parapet wall is given. And this is the 1 BHK in the ground floor. This is a temporary entrance door. Actual door is laying on the floor, which will be polished and installed. You can also see the puja room door for the upper floor. TV unit. Separate puja room, and southeast corner this is kitchen. West facing puja room with granite platform. POP fall ceiling with LED lighting is provided even for this. Bedroom in the southwest and outside common bathroom. So 1 BHK for rental purpose and above main owner house. This is Shine Villa 93 located in Vidyaranyapura extension. All the details are mentioned in the description. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe our channel for latest properties.